Welcome everyone to Outsource AI's tutorial video. Today, we're diving deep into TaskAid, a cutting-edge productivity tool designed to meticulously organize your tasks, projects, and notes. Whether you're handling individual assignments or working in team collaborations, TaskAid is built to streamline your workflow and boost your focus. If you're completely new to TaskAid, let's kick things off with the sign-up process. In this video's description, you'll find a link. Clicking on it will whisk you away to the sign-up page. Here's the sweet part. You can sign up for free. Whether you're more comfortable using your Google account or your personal email, TaskAid's got you covered. Just follow the prompts, personalize your account, and you're all set. Now, right after signing up, you'll be prompted to create your very own workspace. Think of this as your command center, where you can neatly categorize and oversee your tasks, projects, and notes. Once done, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is the nucleus of TaskAid. It's where you'll manage, prioritize, and keep track of everything you're working on. Let's break down the dashboard for a moment. On the side, you'll notice a navigation bar. This is your passport to everything TaskAid has to offer. Recent, My Tasks, Calendar, Starred, Shared with Me, Your Workspace, New Workspace, Search Bar, Setting, and Help. It's designed to make your journey through TaskAid both smooth and intuitive. Recent tab. Ever forgotten where you left off? The Recent tab has got your back. It showcases your most frequently accessed projects. And if you're collaborating, it also displays the projects where others have invited you. You can even filter your activities for precision searching. My Tasks. Centralize and oversee all your tasks with My Tasks. Prioritize them based on deadlines, mark them as done, and even filter them for a more organized view. And if you're a team leader, you'll appreciate how you can delegate tasks without sharing the entire workspace. Calendar. Keep track of those looming deadlines with TaskAid's calendar. Visualize your tasks, synchronize with other popular calendars like Google and Apple, and never miss a beat. TaskAid's intuitive filters further streamline your scheduling, allowing you to see your tasks by day, week, or even month. Starred and Shared with Me. The Starred tab lets you highlight priority projects for easy access. And if you're collaborating, the Shared with Me tab displays all the projects others have decided to let you in on. It's collaboration made easy. Workspace. Your main workspace is readily available upon login. For those who need to manage diverse projects or teams, you might want to consider upgrading to a paid plan, giving you the freedom to create multiple workspaces with even more features. Search and Settings. With TaskAid's efficient search bar, sifting through your projects and notes is a breeze. And for those who like tweaking their user experience, the Settings tab lets you personalize your account even further. Help. If you're ever stuck, the Help tab is packed with resources. Whether you prefer reading FAQs or watching video guidelines, TaskAid's got you covered. All right, let's create a new project. Head over to your workspace, hit the plus new project button, and let your creativity flow. TaskAid offers an array of templates, but if you're feeling unique, go ahead and customize your own. Remember, in TaskAid, each line is a new task. With the additional options feature, you can set due dates, upload files, or even collaborate with others. And with TaskAid's diverse project views, list, board, calendar, action, mind map, and org chart, you have the freedom to visualize your tasks in a way that suits you. That wraps up our introduction to TaskAid. Need to assign a task? Just hit that plus icon. Want to set a deadline? Use the little plus icon next to your task's due date. And as always, to get started with TaskAid, check the link in the description below. If this video helped you in any way, please give us a thumbs up. Your support keeps us going. And if you've got questions, drop them in the comments. We're always here to help. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay productive.